Here's a quick and easy eyeshadow look using just 2 L'Oreal Eyeshadow eyeshadow sticks. First, I'm using Matte Shadow Stick 245 Alluring Rose. I'm gonna place that at the outer corner of my eyelid and work it up into the crease. And I'm just gonna bring it all the way across in the crease and down to the inner corner. Then I'm just gonna use my finger to blend that down onto the movable part of my lid. And I'm just gonna tap it up a little bit above the crease. Then I'm gonna go in with 250 Celestial Taupe. And with that one, I'm gonna basically put it in the same place. I'm gonna create a little outer wing with it and bring it across the lid to the inner corner. And I'm gonna blend that one the same way, just by tapping with my finger. Then I'm also going to use that as my lower lid liner. So I'm just going to run that along the outer 2/3 of my eye. And again, I'm just going to blend that with my finger. And at the outer corner, I'm just going to pull it up. And there's the eyeshadow look using just 2 eyeshadow crayons. Then to finish it up, I just applied a little eyeliner on the upper waterline. This is Sephora 12-Hour Retractable Eyeliner in Shimmer Green. And then a coat of mascara. I'm going to use Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions. And there's the finished look. L'Oreal Eyeshadow Sticks are my current favorites because they don't require a separate eyelid primer in order for them to blend nicely and stay in place all day. They don't settle in my crease by the end of the day. They look great all day, and I love how they have a little cooling feeling when you first put them on your eyelids.